This video will guide you through the process of removing a Tesla vehicle from your Tesla mobile app. This is useful when selling, transferring ownership, or decommissioning a vehicle. As of December 2025, the process is straightforward, but requires you to be the primary account owner and have two-factor authentication enabled. This disconnects the vehicle from your account, stopping remote access and control. Before you start removing your vehicle from the Tesla app, there are several important prerequisites and considerations you should be aware of. First, ensure you are the primary account owner of the vehicle. Only the primary owner can remove a vehicle from their account. The vehicle should be offline or in a non-critical state to avoid any interruptions during the removal process. Back up any important data like trip history from the app before proceeding, as removal will disconnect your access. Removing the vehicle will revoke all shared permissions automatically, preventing any lingering access for other users. Remember, this process only severs your account link to the vehicle. It doesn't erase the vehicle's data from Tesla's servers. For full data deletion from Tesla's servers, you need to contact Tesla support directly. Always refer to Tesla's latest support resources for the most accurate steps, as procedures can vary by app version. First, launch the Tesla app on your smartphone and log in with your Tesla account credentials. Then tap the car icon in the top left corner. If you have multiple Teslas, select the vehicle you want to remove from the list. This brings you to the car's main control screen within the app. This video assumes you are using Tesla app v4.28.x or later. From the vehicle's control screen, swipe to find the Settings gear icon or tap Settings greater than Vehicle, greater than Remove Vehicle. Depending on your app version and security settings, this action may prompt you for two-factor authentication verification to ensure it's really you making the change. Carefully review the warning message that appears. It will state that disconnecting the vehicle is permanent and will revoke all access to it from your account. If you understand and wish to proceed, tap the Remove button. The app may optionally ask you to select a reason for removal, such as sold vehicle or transferred ownership. Choose the most appropriate option. Once you've confirmed the vehicle removal, several changes occur immediately in your Tesla app. The vehicle icon will disappear from the main screen, removing all access to that vehicle's controls and data. If this was your only Tesla vehicle in the app, you may see a prompt asking if you'd like to add a new vehicle or log out of the app completely. This helps keep your account organized. For complete disconnection, and to prevent any lingering data or settings from causing issues, it's recommended to clear the Tesla app's cache on your device. This ensures no residual information remains that could affect future app performance. If the removal process fails due to connectivity problems, the first step is to restart the Tesla app. This often resolves temporary issues. Next, check for any available app updates in your device's app store. Updates often include bug fixes that address removal issues. If problems continue, Tesla's support chat is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for personalized assistance. Finally, be aware of potential sync delays up to 24 hours, particularly with newer Tesla models. Allow time for changes to fully propagate across systems. Digital vehicle management is evolving rapidly. Tesla's app is seeing increased multi-vehicle usage and integration with third-party services. Future trends include AI-driven suggestions for vehicle management and blockchain-based ownership verification. Remember to stay updated with the latest Tesla app releases to take advantage of new features and security enhancements. Always prioritize data security and privacy when managing your vehicles.